In its scientific way, the Welsh Plant Breeding Station at Plas Gogerddan has a vital place in Britain's agriculture, present and future. It's one of a series of countryside laboratories where the microscope and the analysis sheet pave the way for bigger crop yields and increased profit margins on Britain's farms. With farm science already centred here, this would seem to be the ideal and logical location for the Welsh Agricultural College, now being speeded by the Minister for Education and Science, Mr. Anthony Crossland. But even more ambitious plans for Plas Gogerddan are now beginning to take shape. A firmly based case has been put forward as the start of a concentric movement to establish the first World Agricultural College here on the outskirts of Aberystwyth. And the author of the scheme is Aberystwyth Town Clerk, Mr. W. Phillip Davies. Mr. Davies, this, of course, isn't the first time you've conceived an original idea, but precisely how was this idea to establish a World College here born?
Well, it arose from the efforts of the Aberystwyth Freedom from Hunger campaign when they decided to donate a sum of £5,000 to the Sir George Staples Memorial Trust to enable an overseas student to visit Gogerddan near Aberystwyth to learn the art of agriculture.
If this object is achieved, it would make Aberystwyth without doubt the agricultural capital of Wales and indeed Europe. But how would this World Centre be financed and run?
Well, so far as I can see, it would have to be initiated, as every college is initiated, by the government. But in this case, I take it that our government would associate with the World Food Agricultural Organization, and in that way possibly derive sufficient finance to establish, maintain and run the college.
Would this college in fact be quite separate from or part of the Welsh Agricultural College?
No, I think it would be a separate, in as much as the Welsh Agricultural College is very limited in its scope, whereas my idea of a World Agricultural College would enable overseas students to have agricultural education in all its ramifications.
Have you in fact already made any government representations to test the likelihood of a World College being built here?
Yes, indeed. I personally made representations when advancing the case for a Welsh Agricultural College. I made representations to the Minister of Agriculture, Mr. Peart.